So right now what we're doing, well, first of all, hello everybody. Right now we're insulating the roof or the ceiling. I guess we're on the inside, roof is on the outside, however you look at it. Well, we're insulating the ceiling. Right now we're putting the 1-inch foam up there, and then we're going to go with another layer of 1-inch foam. So we're going to have 2 inches of insulation. So what we have on the roof, anyways, what we have is ready. You know, you have the one piece of aluminum, and after that, then it's the three. I can't remember. I'll probably post it. 5/8 millimeter, 3/4 inch millimeter plywood, and then we have a thermal barrier, and then we're going to put 2 inches of foam, and then we're going to put 2 inches of foam, and then we're going to put our it's a fly. Then we're going to put our furring strip, and then then after that it'll be the ceiling, whatever that we have up there. So that's where we are right now, is doing the insulation. So it's going a little slower than expected because none of the measurements, as far as from the end, the center, and this end, they're not the same. So it's taking a little bit longer, but that's where we are. I thought it was music. Oh, no, that's music. Music more stuff. Oh, take it like, please. No. Second thing.
That's the last piece of the first layer. And everything else should go smoothly because there's no cutting and measuring.
You said should?
Should. So that means it won't.
Hello everyone. So, been a little busy over the day. We got the walls insulated and we put the paneling back up that was the original. So now what we're doing is we got the first layer on the ceiling 1 inch, and now we're doing our second layer of 1 inch foam. So this is a close-up shot of what we're doing. So we already have the one layer up of 1 inch foam that's in between the beam studs, and then we're putting up full sheets of another another inch layer. So what the ceiling would be, you have the outer skin, the aluminum, one piece of aluminum. Then we got a thermal barrier and plywood. And we have 1 inch and then another 1 inch. So that's where we are now. And kind of see what we do next. So this should go pretty quick. Then we'll get on to other stuff. All right, so trailer's a little mess right now. We've been working, not much, probably about 2-3 hours a day. Because as I always said, we don't have any dates in mind. We're not, we don't have any timelines, but I mean, we're not gonna drag our feet, but we're doing a few hours a day. Kind of when it starts to get dusk and the mosquitoes come out, that's when we know when it's time to go in. And I already killed a mosquito today. All right, so thanks for watching. Follow along our adventure. All right, see you guys later.